Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today we are going to not only take a look at the Braun Air Series 5, but also my experience there.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I'm really happy with the Braun Series 5, and what I want to point out is, besides my experience, also a few points right over here that will allow me to recommend this unit to any of you guys that want to shave yourself without hurting your skin. Just out of curiosity, I do shave almost every single day except weekends, and when I'm holidays I usually tend to diversificate, and this summer was really nice because I was able to have a different look in terms of beard and so on and so forth. But that's another topic. Regarding the shaving, I was looking for something that I was able to wear it not only on the regular usage but also waterproof, so that I could shave myself not only on the face but also on my chest and so on and so forth. And this is a great unit. Things that I really enjoy: first of all, it's really comfortable to use. I can use it on my face, I can press it down. It has these blades right over here which are very comfortable, and they will not hurt my face and will not hurt my skin, and this was probably the most important factor to me. In terms of autonomy, it has a really nice autonomy, but I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check out all the specifications regarding that. It's really easy to clean. This is also a thing that I enjoy. Do you remember those that we had to clean with a brush or something like that? Really boring, really tedious, and it's not effective. This one, we just need to put it underwater, and that is it, because it's waterproof. And waterproof means that I can use it on the shower. I can beard myself or shave myself, and using the shower, it's completely waterproof, no worries at all. And that was just a great experience. Doesn't hurt my skin at all, not on the face and not on my chest. Now, in terms of shaving, I can use it dry, completely dry, and it was a surprise for me, because in terms of shaving, I wanted something that I could shave with water and with cream, and this is the scenario. I can do both of them, but I was testing this morning for a Portuguese video, which I will not put it right over here because it's in Portuguese and probably, I don't know, does it make any sense? Olha lá, chat de conversa e eu não sei se consigo fazer aqui, vou utilizar a câmera com espelho. Uma cena que eu agora temos só água na pele, portanto tenho a pele molhada, e vamos lá. Probably it will, just so that you guys have a feeling of what I was doing. But the point is that even dry, it's really a smooth experience. So these are the points that I do believe that to me are the most important. I have no issues at all in recommending. Now, talking about pricing, guys, when I did purchase a week and a half, something like that, it did cost this particular model 94 euros, which at this moment is costing 89. So the difference is about 5-6 euros, nothing special. But the model that I wanted back then was a model that also has, beside the trimmer, the things that we can change size so that we can trim our beard. And back when I did purchase mine, it was about 100 and something euros, and at this moment it's costing 84 euros, so cheaper than what I did purchase. And yeah, it's a bummer, but prices are like this. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. So at this moment, what I would recommend is that model that you see right over there, costs 84 euros. Or if you want the accessories, I would recommend the package that costs 113 if you make any sense to have more sizes in terms of trimming your beard. Of course, the package that only has the shaving unit, the Braun Series 5, because in my particular case, using the trimmer, what I see myself doing is that when I want to do here near the ears, I will get my razor and just do it like that. So yeah, this is my opinion. This is the piece that I'm mentioning. It's great, but I honestly see myself doing with the razor just these parts right over here. So just have that in mind when you purchase yours, to decide if you want to use this with the other accessories to trim your beard, then great, but just this one, to me, no, not really. And guys, basically this is it. I did not record an English video like I did with the Portuguese, with the whole experience and with all the things that I was mentioning while I was doing the shaving and also on the shower. But this is my honest opinion. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if it's helpful, don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated right over here. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.